Hello friends, welcome to our channel Umang Coaching Classes. Today we are here to deal with the next chapter of rational numbers, that is the addition of rational numbers. Today we'll learn the operation of addition of rational numbers. So basically the addition of rational numbers is carried out in the same way as that of addition of fractions. So if two rational numbers are to be added, we should first convert each of them into a rational number with positive denominator. It is not just as adding 2 plus 2 that is equals to 4 or 3 plus 5 that is equals to 8. The addition of rational numbers is basically something different than all this. So let's understand how to add these rational numbers. So let's begin to understand how to solve the addition of rational numbers. Let's suppose a question 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5. So first of all we'll take the LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators are 5 and 5. So let's now see what do we get by taking the LCM of the denominators. So if we take the LCM of 5 and 5 we get 5. So by taking the LCM of 5 and 5 we got 5. Let me tell you one thing, if we take the LCM of two same numbers then the resultant LCM will be the number itself. Okay, for example if I take the LCM of 4 and 4 it will be 4. If I take the LCM of 192 and 192 it will be the 192 itself. Okay, so let's now solve this question. So now what we'll do, we'll draw a line and we'll write the LCM, what do we get, as a denominator. Now we'll divide the LCM with the first denominator, that is 5 by 5. What do we get? 1. Now this 1 will multiply with the numerator, that is 4. So 4 into 1. This sign of plus after 4 by 5 will be put as it is after 4 into 1. Then again we'll divide this 5 with the second denominator, that is also 5. So what do we get on dividing 5 by 5? We got 1. Now this 1 will multiply it with the numerator, that is 9. So 9 into 1 will be equals to 9. So 4 into 1 plus 9 into 1 upon 5. Now 4 into 1 is equals to 4 and 9 into 1 also is equals to 9. So 4 plus 9 will be equals to 13 upon 5. That is our answer. So 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5 is equals to 13 upon 5. That's why in the cases where the denominators are same, we simply add the numerators, because when we'll take the LCM will be same. So we don't take the LCM in such cases. We just as it is put the value of the denominator as it is in the resultant answer, and we simply add the numerators. Now let's see the next question. 5 by 8 plus 7 by 12. Here the denominators are different, but we'll follow the same procedure. We'll take the LCM of the denominator, that is 8 and 12. So on taking the LCM of the denominators 8 and 12, first we'll divide it by 2. We'll get 4 and 6. Then again with 2, we'll get 2 and 3. Then again, then as we got the prime numbers, we'll not divide it further. Okay, now we'll take the LCM of 8 and 12 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is equals to 24. So now as we have done in the previous question, we'll repeat it here too. So we'll take the LCM of 8 and 12, we got 24. Now again same procedure, we'll draw a line and we'll put the LCM as the denominator. Now we'll divide this 24 with the first denominator, that is 8. So 24 divided by 8 will get 3. Now this 3 will multiply it with the numerator, that is 5 into 3. Sign will be repeated as it is. So 5 into 3 will be equals to 15. Now what we'll do? We'll do the division of the second denominator, that is 24 divided by 12. What we'll get? 2. Now this 2 will multiply it with the numerator, that is 7. 7 into 2 will be equals to 14. So 5 into 3, that is 15, plus 7 into 2, that is 14. Now this 15 plus 14 will be equals to 29 by 24. Hence 5 by 8 plus 7 by 12 will be equals to 29 upon 24. Let's see another example. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 6 plus 1 upon 3. Now we'll take the LCM of 5, 6 and 3. It doesn't matter that there are 2 numbers, 3 numbers or infinite numbers. We'll follow the same procedure. First we'll take the LCM of the denominators, then we'll divide the first denominator respectively with the LCM, and then we'll multiply it with the numerator. So here in this case, first we'll take the LCM of 5, 6 and 3. On taking the LCM of 5, 6 and 3, we get, first we'll divide it by 2. Remember that first start dividing with the smallest prime number, then further move on to the large prime numbers. If you'll do this, you will not do silly mistakes in mathematics. So first we'll divide it by 2. What do we get? 5. Then 6 divided by 2 will be equals to 3. Then 2 will not be divided by 3. So then again we'll divide it by 3. Then 3 won't be divided by 5. 5 will be as it is. 3 divided by 3 will be equals to 1. Again 3 will be divided by 3 and will be equals to 1. So now the LCM of 5, 6 and 3 will be 2 into 3 into 5, that is equals to 30. Now what did we do in the last question? We'll repeat it here too. So the LCM we got is 30. We'll draw a line and we'll put the LCM as the denominator. Then we'll divide the LCM with the first denominator, that is 5. So 30 divided by 5 will be equals to 6. Now this 6 will multiply it with the numerator. So 3 into 6 plus, now what we'll do, we'll divide the LCM with the second denominator, that is 6. So 30 divided by 6 will be equals to 5. Now this 5 will multiply it with the second numerator, 7 into 5. Now the sign of plus will be put as it is. Now we'll divide this 30 with the last denominator, that is 3. So 30 divided by 3 will be equals to 10. Now this 10 again will multiply it with the numerator, that is 1. So 1 into 10. Now what will be the answer? Now we'll solve it. 3 into 6 will be 18. 7 into 5 will be 35. And 1 into 10 will be 10. 18 plus 35 plus 10. This will be equals to 63 by 30. This 63 by 30, it is not in standard form, so we'll reduce it further. So 3 by 5 plus 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 will be equals to 63 by 30. As I said, it can be reduced further. So we'll divide it by 3 and 3, and what do we get? 21 by 10. So it's not necessary to divide it into the standard form, but if you divide it, it will be good. Thank you. Hope so you have understood the concept of addition of rational numbers. For further more videos, please keep watching Umang coaching classes. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon to receive freshly brewed content from Umang coaching classes. Thank you and have a beautiful day.